Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit in equities. In this video, we'll be talking about the stock that Porinju Veliyath thinks will be the top beneficiary from Budget 2019. Please watch this video to know more. Now, speaking on a recent television interview, and when quizzed on whether the budget would have any takeaways for the consumer sector, Porinju Veliyath went on to add that India is getting into a point of per capita income $3,000 maybe in the next 3 to 4 years time. So $3,000 per capita income is going to make huge explosive growth in the so-called discretionary spending sector. So these are all big triggers for investors to look in 2019, and from there follows his top stock pick, which is Kaya Limited. The stock is available at Rs 731.35 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is KAYA. Now, Kaya Limited is an India-based company which is engaged in medical practice activities. The company provides healthcare aesthetics, beauty and personal care products and services in India and abroad. As is evident from the one-year chart, however, the company has been a severe underperformer and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 955.44 and is currently loss-making, due to which the EPS and price to earnings ratio are not applicable here. The industry PE is 69.29, which means that the companies in this industry are generally richly valued. The price to book ratio of 5.08 also is slightly on the high side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.2584, whereas the return on equity is minus 0.0737 because it's currently loss-making. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is a strong number and stands at 59.93%. On the same interview, Porinju Veliyath also alluded to the quality of the promoter group as one of the major factors why he likes the stock. Another positive factor is that none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.